Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a sushi on Dress to Impress. I'll need to move around a little bit because all of the items have been moved. So just bear with me on that. Let's go to this section. Get the cauldron and color the outside part white and the rest a salmon color, like a pink orange color. And then you're going to want to grab the pumpkin, and then you're going to want to color that pink as well, like so. Then you're going to get, is the knife still here? Oh yeah. And then you're going to select high, but you're just going to blend the colors with your outfit. You can stop there, but to make it a little bit better, you can go to VIP and get the sword, select double, and it looks like you're holding a chopstick. Just color it in a chopstick color. I'll make it this color for everything. And that should be it. That's how you can create a sushi on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.